In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a payment receipt from an eBay purchase. Whether you've bought something recently or just want a record for your files, having a receipt on hand is always a good practice. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, you'll need to head over to the eBay website. Simply open up your web browser and type in eBay's address, which is www.ebay.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to focus your attention on the top left corner of the page. Look for the Sign In button. This is your gateway to accessing your personal account, where all your purchase information is stored. Click on Sign In and enter your credentials to log into your account. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here you'll find an option labeled My eBay. This section holds all the personal information related to your account, including your purchase history. Within the My eBay section, there's a link for purchase history. Click on this, and you'll be taken to a page that lists all the items you've purchased over a certain period. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, we don't have any recent purchases to display, but in your case, you should see a list of your recent transactions. Assuming you've already made some purchases, scroll through your purchase history and locate the item for which you need a receipt. Once you've found the correct item, look to the side for a More Actions drop-down menu. Click on this and select View Order Details. This will open up a page displaying the specifics of your order. On the Order Details page, you'll find a variety of payment information, including the item price, taxes and shipping charges, your payment method, and the transaction ID. This is essentially your receipt, containing all the important details of your purchase. Now, if you wish to print or save this receipt, look for an option labeled Printer Friendly Page, which is typically found at the top or bottom of the page. Clicking this allows you to either print a physical copy or save it as a PDF for your records. It's a convenient way to keep a personal archive of your purchases. Finally, as a backup, remember that eBay also sends out a purchase confirmation email after each payment. This email serves as an additional receipt. You can search your email inbox by using keywords like eBay order to quickly locate these messages. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily find and keep track of your purchase receipts from eBay, ensuring you have all the documentation you might need for future reference. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!